Last Sound Summit, we teased two things, the Lockit Plus and the Nano-Lockit logging function. So today I want to give you a rundown of the current state of things. Now, the Lockit Plus. Developing our most complex device in times of a global pandemic, introducing unseen and unforeseeable lead times has been, gently put, a challenging hell of a ride. But we're happy to say that we're on final silicon to complete our software development now. I need to repeat that the Lockit Plus is not just your ordinary timecode generator, but also a metadata recorder, a studio master clock, and so much more, running dedicated machine code and the full-blown Linux on two different separate but still connected hardware platforms. So the TC part is a safe bet. Still, we have new exciting features in development that cater for the applications and workflows that just have emerged in the recent past. I say motion capturing and the Mandalorian. And as such, we're extremely happy not only to have welcomed Ubisoft and Apple to our user base, but also two subsidiaries of Epic Games, the creator behind the Unreal Engine, and DI4D, a major player in motion capturing, as ACN hardware partners. But what care you? You want to know how our frequency coordination, the Radio Wizard, is coming along, and we're happy to let you know that beta testing is in full swing as we speak. So this is the perfect opportunity to say thanks out to all the beta testers that we have. And we are proud in what we have achieved is no less than a complete operating system, and are convinced that you will be blown away by the ease of use and stylishness once you can put your own hands on a Lockit Plus. Soon. Right around the corner, though, is release of Firmware 6.3.0 for our Lockit firmware range with two exciting features. First would be support of double frame rates in the standard SMPTE timecode format with full backward compatibility. It has been a cause of constant sorrow, at least for those involved into support like me, that timecode maxes out at 30 frames. TC experts know that with SD, two fields were spread across one timecode frame, and the same method applies to the HD double rates. But still it confuses people which frame rate to pick on timecode when the camera is actually set to 59 frames. Now, we catered for that within our own ACN since long, but the SMPTE standard just didn't allow for that, until now. Since 6.3.0, we will include this information in the standard timecode stream. The algorithm isn't breaking anything. If a unit doesn't support the method, it will interpret the timecode as before. But if so, and only then, the magic happens. Second feature would be logging with the Nano-Lockit. Unsurprisingly, our Kickstarter campaign closed successfully, and in return we were able to deliver as promised by end of last year. The required panel for Adobe Premiere Pro is now officially in store and available for free. Basically, this means every Nano-Lockit can not only serve as the reliable timecode generator it was introduced, but also as a hand unit to create marker logs while shooting. So feel invited to give it a spin for yourself, and once the application suggests, just hand one of your Nano-Lockits over to the director or script supervisor.